I'm talking about this night. This is hip-hop. And I don't gotta say it and all that. Y'all know what it is, right?
Murder that shit again, son.
Yo, put a peace sign in the air if you heard this song before, yo. It's like my signature joint. Now, if you put a peace sign in the air and somebody next to you didn't, tell them we about to rock out. Look at somebody and tell them. Yeah. I feel good.
Yo, turn this mic up.
Yeah. Yo, I got the best pro manifesto. Let the rest know I hit him with a special death flow. Cause I see it's done season again. Said the kid is on his grind, selling out like treason to him. He don't need no other reason to win. It's a cold, cold world, so we right with antifreeze in his pen. You toss a lot, I knew you had to be whack. I spit a verse that'll disperse you from your battery pack. Ask you if you want some more, I'm guessing no. Cause my lyrics so sick, you gotta listen to my music with a stethoscope. With confidence, like I just jumped out of bottle bag. I got the crowd grinning and bouncing like they bobbleheads. Let it be known I'm the reciprocal and typical. Seeing through this garbage ain't difficult. Cause as a culture, we in the rap like a dark room. Developing images to spark doom. You'll hear more remarks soon. Now hip hop, I know one kind. Maybe it's coincidence, maybe it's by design. Rap is done using your brain, hip hop is in the mind. It's the music for your life, let the two combine. Now what's real hip hop? I only know one kind. What's real hip hop?
I only know one kind.
What's real hip hop?
I only know one kind.
What's real hip hop?
I only know one
Listen,
kind.
heard of Direct TV? I'm Direct MC, but you don't need to put no dish up to connect with me. I feel like music for the people, that's my destiny. If what you heard is hollow, follow my trajectory. I show you like before you thought that it was them. Take they creme, they like creme, and I rip them up limb by limb. When them see me, many GBGBs go into their body. To me, it's like a hobby, dissing rappers when they shoddy. Cut them off. I know the only ballad drop lies, and I'm on time, even though I'm thinking counterclockwise. Keep on babbling until you blow in the face. Or to somebody new in the race, just blow you to space. Listen, man, every time I'm on stage, 4-alarm blaze, have you feeling low like Mexican minimum wage? Yo, do something, man. That's how you be looking. I'm like a hurricane joker using whoopee cushion. Now hip hop, I know one kind. Maybe it's coincidence, maybe it's by design. Rap is done using your brain, hip hop is in the mind. It's the music for your life, let the two combine. What's real hip hop?
I only know one kind.
What's real hip hop?
I only know one kind.
What's real hip hop?
I only know one kind.
Yo, one more, y'all. Check it out. Yo, I'm a hip hop paleontologist. I dig it, dust and polish it, and put it on display for you to acknowledge it. Reminiscing to when the rap game was innocent. After listening, see if you share the same sentiments. With imminent advancement, they try to steal my transcripts, have it tested for performance enhancements. But I'ma stay above a scandal. I go in front of the camera with samples of MCs I manhandle. Barely enough to be distinguished. Most of them was talking some choppy and some slurred, perverted language. But now I know how Mr. Bean sound. They spit us like a boxers in a bucket in between rounds. Even your boys think you a pitiful jerk. Behind your back, they all consider you dirt. Better listen to my syllables work. Next time they might be working to your upper hand. Maybe you'll need some verbal help with standing up again. You can cut that, Jay. Y'all feeling?